our family, our fans, our followers, the people that the Lord has blessed. Today, as you are celebrating Christmas, look around you. Look around your neighbor. Look around your neighborhood. Look around your environment and make sure people around you are smiling. Yes. Don't smile alone. Don't eat alone. Don't smile alone. Make sure you put a smile on somebody's face this Christmas.
Exactly.
This is a period of giving.
And giving.
Yes. When you give, you'll be given. Make sure ni umuronye na amu amu na akoke maka ginwa. Bahari chere ndi kama ofum kopu mmiri kunyere na onye na mkpa. Chineke ka imeria. Dika ina-eme nka Chineke ga-agozi gị. Chief Imo Production and my brother here at Akunibaji's Foundation and all our crew, friends and well-wishers. We are wishing all of you a wonderful Christmas. A prosperous Christmas. A melodious Christmas.
Wow. And a special Christmas.
Yes! And a God-filled Christmas. Yes. And the Christmas.
It's just a period of giving.
Yes.
And don't give one-sided.
Yes.
Inyendebe.
Christmas on Pago. You can't get them. I'm going to get them. I'm going to get the house and say, Mother Christmas. Come on, sister, forget that. So, we are
celebrating Christmas. We are not here to quarrel.
Okay. Are we quarrel?
We will do
we weren't. Happy Christmas to all of you and prosperous New Year.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
And may God bless you once again.